afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Thank you for taking the time to speak with us today, sir. As students eager to embark on our journey in the aerospace and defense sectors, the recent MoU today between Nucon Aerospace and our university has sparked a lot of excitement and curiosity. We see this partnership as a gateway to immense learning and growth opportunities, and we are eager to understand how it will impact our academic and professional futures.
Yep. So the relationship between the industry and the university, which are very important, I am thinking which is very much essential. See, because the growing engineers, they should understand what the industries are doing. So that there is a gap. It is not in the academics books. Okay, so people cannot understand. So, but in an industry, we have to follow certain protocols, certain regulations. So those parts we would like to introduce that systems that we want to communicate with the university. They can adapt in their syllabus to teach them the growing engineers. They can easily they can start the factory work immediately. So this is what the system, what it's there in my mind. So as an organization, we will help to the students to they will get understanding what to do, what are the opportunities are there, how we can grow in that particular field. So this they can get. I think this MOU will help in the both the way. So the students can get the opportunity in our factory, or they can gain the experience. They can, as an internship, they can do. They can understand what organization is doing, how we have to work in the factories, how the safety protocols they are following. These all students can understand. Yes.
So, with your experience and leadership in R&D, we'd love to hear your insights on how this collaboration will benefit us as students.
Yeah, great. So, as an R&D person, that we should know how to design the product. Okay, so we should know how the what is the requirement of the products that we should know, and then that product, it is going to be used in the aerospace application. So the aerospace applications, you think the safety is which is very important, and the reliability, which is very important, and the redundancy, which is very important. So this all that factors how to design that we can think, and we are thinking to put some modular courses in your syllabus, which will meet the requirement of international standards. So that means we have to design the product according to the international standards, which will meet that globally that requirement. So in aircraft, any component to be introduced in that part as like a LRU, then you have to clear all that things with a certain amount of standards. So those standards, I think we can introduce into the syllabus. The people can learn with that during their course. They can understand, then they can easily perform, and then they will become the successful engineer.
Definitely, it will be useful for us, sir.
Yes.
The MOU mentions joint training programs, workshops, and industry academia interactions. How do you envision these initiatives enhancing our skill development and knowledge sharing, sir?
Okay, that's a good question asked. We want to enhance the experiential learning to the students. Every industry has its own objective to function, but an education institute and the students should get qualified for the ready industry programs. For that, the basics what an industry should function, the basics on what is required for an engineer to start working and start delivering on particular projects. So this all will increase when you have a experiential learning. This experiential learning is a platform for this MOU. This MOU is just a start, and we are open to alter and come up with new programs. Likewise, in a 4 years course, we want to have our footprints with the students from the third year itself, such that they have knowledge immediately after the fourth year, and they're ready made for the industry to function. Not limited to the documentation part, we are open for giving the wings to the student to fly high. So this MOU is a base to all that.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Thanks for sharing your insights, sir.
thank you.
Thank you so much.